Imagine a tiny, elusive creature with the power to control your mind, invading your consciousness with sinister precision. Now picture an engineered species with telepathic skills, their every action shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Caught your attention? Good. Welcome to the world of the Greys and the Vrill, the first two of the most enigmatic extraterrestrial species we will discover in this new series, where we delve into the enigmatic world of alien lifeforms and the mysteries that lie in the uncharted corners of our universe. Hold tight, we're about to dive deeper into the stories of the Greys and the fearsome Vrill. This is going to be a ride you won't forget. The genesis of the mysterious Greys is a complicated one. They came from the constellation of Orion, specifically the Orion Arm. Before the Draco seized power, a neutral scientist recognized their potential during the Galactic War and carried out research on them in the Zeta Reticuli star system. The small and tall Greys, as we know them now, were consequently created. The Greys were heavily utilized by both sides of the conflict and are mostly organic androids or synthetic clones in their current state. Throughout their different civilizations, they performed the roles of frontline troops, collateral damage, workers, and producers. Their huge, hairless heads, which also house sophisticated optical equipment that resembles what we would perceive as big, almond-shaped, and dark eyes, but are actually super advanced spectacles, giving them an intense and enigmatic aspect. Their lips are small and unnoticeable, and they have no apparent ears or noses. Their name originates from their pale or grayish skin tone. Greys come in a variety of sizes, ranging from 3 to 5 feet for the shorter ones to 7 to 10 feet for the tallest ones. Their tiny bodies and spindly limbs have been built more for intelligence and cutting-edge technology than for physical power. Their telepathic skills, which allow them to converse solely through their minds and eliminate the need for spoken language, are one of their most distinctive characteristics. This telepathic link promotes a sense of collective awareness and group cohesiveness among members of their type. Depending on which side or organization the Greys support, their objectives can change. Because of their synthetic organic nature, the Greys on the independent side are driven by their curiosity about human emotions, leading them to study and analyze humans through abductions. While the Federation seeks to aid humanity's growth and freedom from Draco domination, on the other hand, the Draconian faction sees abductions as a means to advance their own agenda of creating hybrids with enhanced abilities and characteristics via experimentation and DNA manipulation. The Draconian group thinks they can develop a better race that will guarantee their dominion over other species in the cosmos by producing these hybrids. Their experiments also help them acquire important data and materials for the development of their own civilization. The Federation thinks the Greys are carrying out these kidnappings against the will of the victims and in violation of their fundamental rights. They see the actions of the Draconian side as immoral and harmful because they violate the ideals of equality, respect, and free will for all sentient beings. Then we also have the Vrill. Their origin is unknown. The Vrill beings are diminutive in size, not exceeding 20 centimeters, or approximately 8 inches, in length. Despite their small stature, they possess a formidable and unnerving ability. Utilizing a unique appendage on their forehead, resembling a needle-like structure, they can discharge a mysterious fluid infused with parasites. This fluid is aimed with precision, entering the host's body through their eyes. Once inside, these parasites take residence in the host's eyes, commencing a gradual and sinister process of overtaking the host's mind from within. This extraordinary capability has garnered the Vrill beings an unparalleled reputation, and even powerful entities such as the Draconians and Greys approach them with extreme caution. The very prospect of crossing paths with the Vrill beings evokes fear and apprehension among these formidable extraterrestrial races. Such is the potent nature of the Vrill's parasitic fluid and its capacity to assert control over a host's consciousness, making them a force to be reckoned with in the cosmic hierarchy. The Vrill beings' parasitic abilities are not to be underestimated. Once the fluid containing the mind-controlling parasites enters a host's body through their eyes, the infestation begins. The tiny parasites gradually make their way to the host's brain, establishing a stronghold within the neural pathways. From there, they exude an insidious influence, steadily taking control of the host's thoughts, emotions, and actions. This process of parasitic domination is both slow and calculated, allowing the Vrill beings to ensure complete control over their human hosts. The host becomes a mere vessel, manipulated by the Vrill's sinister agenda. This powerful ability to infiltrate and commandeer the minds of others has instilled a sense of dread and trepidation among other extraterrestrial races, including the Draconians and Greys, who recognize the Vrill's capacity to wreak havoc on the psyche of those they encounter. The Vrill beings' diminutive size belies their extraordinary potency, and they have honed their parasitic craft over eons of existence. Operating from the shadows, they remain enigmatic and elusive, ever vigilant in maintaining their clandestine presence and activities. The advanced technology they possess, coupled with their unparalleled psychic prowess, ensures their operations remain shrouded in mystery, making them formidable opponents in the cosmic realm. And there you have it, cosmic explorers. We've just completed our first interstellar journey through the enigmatic worlds of the Greys and the fearsome Vrill. Which of these alien species sparked your curiosity? Let's get the conversation started in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this adventure as much as we have, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss out on the many more cosmic mysteries we're set to uncover. Next time, we will talk about the Orions, their origin, cultural heritage, and different species. Be prepared for a fascinating tale that is as dazzling as the stars themselves. So keep that curiosity burning bright, and let's continue to venture together into the depths of this cosmic realm.